A standard standalone Corsair factory is always designed with the purpose of being able to process as much as 1 million kilos of plastic waste per month. Now, the 12 million kilos per year would be the amount that approximately 200,000 people would generate in plastic waste in 1 year alone. Each Corsair facility is designed to be built on a footprint of approximately 10,000 square meters and to include altogether 10 modular pyrolysis reactors. At Corsair, we believe that modular is the right way to go. Instead of having a one large machine, we always aim to have 10 units which will be able to operate on a 24 hours a day cycle. And also by doing this, we are able to better mitigate any technical issues or maintenance downtime. If we would only have one machine, like has been the model done by several other companies in our industry, the entire production of the factory would be shut down. With 10 modular units, if one of our reactors has an issue, 9 of the reactors are still capable of operating normally. All of our factories are designed to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and by doing so, reach the ultimate target of output of this quality material, pyrolysis oil.